Enjoy the view of this 2019 Chrysler 300. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Cruise boldly in stylish comfort in the 300, the full-size sedan that blends traditional touring car panache with state-of-the-art automotive technology. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Experience the distinguished elegance of the 300. Come in for a test drive.